Play Unified important?
Play Unified is important because it really levels the playing field for everyone, no matter what their achievement level is in the classroom, outside the classroom. When they're with us and they're doing the activities, they're just kids and they're just playing, socializing, having a good time, and all that other stuff is put aside for a minute. They just get to enjoy one another.
What do you like about Play Unified?
Play Unified is a great organization. It gives students of just different abilities the chance to come together socially and have a good time.
What do students like about Play Unified?
Students enjoy participating in hands-on activities with each other.
What do you like about the Sensory Garden?
What we love about the Sensory Garden, there's so many things. We take our kids out there, they love the swing, they love the bells, just sitting outside in a great environment. It's so much fun. Yeah.
What's the best part of Play Unified?
The best part of Play Unified is we all get together, we all have fun time with all our friends. It's definitely all about inclusion, diversity, and just having a special environment that all the children can take part in.
What do you like about Play Unified?
I like how you get to meet your own friends and do activities you don't really get to do.
What have you learned from Play Unified?
I've learned to be kind and respectful to anyone you meet.
And what's your favorite part of Play Unified?
My favorite part of Play Unified is meeting new friends and being with other people I haven't met before.
What do you love about Play Unified?
I love everything about Play Unified. The activities, they're all geared to all different levels and abilities, the socialization, meeting new friends and everything. So it's a great program. Kids love it.
How does Play Unified help the students?
It's a great opportunity for them to have role models that they can then imitate and playing in different games. It's also great for their language and their socialization, watching the other kids. So it's perfect for the peer models for both language, socialization, and to actually play the activities.
What's your favorite part of Play Unified?
Hanging out with friends and making new friends.
What do you love about Play Unified?
I love. Yes, I like my friends.
Did you make lots of friends in Play Unified?
Yes.
Is Play Unified important?
Because it's lots of fun.
What do you like about Play Unified?
So one of the things I like about Play Unify is that everybody's all inclusive. It gives a lot of the students an opportunity to meet new friends and make new friends. Everybody comes together in one part of the day. Everybody gets to play together, and students get to meet each other, and I think that's really important.
Why is Play Unified important?
I think Play Unified is really important for students to meet each other out of the grade level. It creates a bigger school community, so it's not just each individual grade level. It's all one giant school together.
Then we're gonna shoot the ball. Then we're gonna get the ball, and last we're gonna give it to our friends so they can have a turn. Okay? So that's how you use it if you wanted to communicate with someone who's not using their words today, okay?
What do you like about the sensory garden?
The big swing.
Why do you think it's important to have it at Shira?
So kids can have fun there.
What do you like about Play Unified?
I like about Play Unified is that Play Unified helps kids and teaches kids how to learn new stuff, and we get to have fun too.
What is your favorite part of Play Unified?
My favorite part of Play Unified is the parachute and hanging out and making new friends.
What do you love about Play Unified?
Oh, I love that it brings the kids together to play together. It's awesome. It just makes my heart fill with so much joy.
What's your favorite part of Play Unified?
Dribbling with my friends.
Why is Play Unified important?